You see why the laborites hate Dionne Jackson Miller? Because she's not afraid to stand up for the people, for every Jamaican suffering after Hurricane Melissa. When others tried to play politics, Dionne stood firm and said, "Answer the question," she asked of Dana Morris Dixon. When the government tried to dodge the truth, one journalist stood up and made the whole room quiet. Dionne Jackson Miller, fearless, sharp, and unbought, turned that press conference into a masterclass in accountability. As Dionne flung the questions at Dana Morris Dixon one by one, the questions hit hard to the core as Dana tried to dodge. Why was there such a slow response in getting aid to Westmoreland? Why the delay in providing shelters and relief after the hurricane? Why is there a fuel crisis in Western Jamaica? Gas stations empty, people in long lines, cars stranded? And then she hit the hardest truth of all. The government seems to have completely shut out the opposition from the national recovery effort. Powerful, fearless, and precise. The kind of journalism questions keep coming. That question about independent oversight was the ultimate accountability strike. It showed Dionne wasn't just exposing the slowness and bias, but demanding transparency and fairness make a needs. While others were silent, Dionne pressed on. While Dana Morris Dixon tried to spin, Dionne stood firm, and the minister had nothing left to say. The people felt it too. Social media lit up with comments. "Real journalists hold government accountable." "Yes, man, Dana Morrison mouth dumb. Can't say a word." Some very good questions, Miss Jackson. Jamaica deserved better, because she is standing up for the persons affected by Hurricane Melissa. Thank you, Dionne, for asking these questions. Jamaicans deserve better, and that's exactly it. She's not just a journalist, she's the voice of the people. So big up Dionne Jackson Miller, fearless, factual, and firm. You silenced the spin and demanded accountability. When others talk, you investigate. When they dodge, you dig. That's journalism Jamaica can respect. This is Michy Dex Commentary, where truth never tremble. Big up to the real ones like Dionne, speaking for the voiceless.